Okay, we're back. So if you remember, we were on our Google slide. We just got done reading OR words and a couple of sentences. Once you're finished reading them, you'll come back to the over on the side and go to your next Google slide. And it is the whole hunk and chunk phonics dance. If you just click on it, stand up and move and do the hunk and chunks. After you're done with that, go to the next slide and you have some writing. Miss Palmer has given you a couple videos of her explaining. You're going to be writing what you're going to be writing about. So you'll click through each one. Here's an example of your paper that you can make. Another video, Miss Palmer. And then there's some time for you to write. After writing, there's math. Mrs. Phillips has given you some activities here to do. So you can count and then skip count. Read the question and type in your answer in the box. Then go to the next slide. Read through it or have your mom or dad or adult, whichever adult is there, can help you read anything you can't quite figure out. And here she tells you to go to your EasyBridge app in your waffle. So just like we did with ConnectEd, you'll go back up to the top of your screen, go back to your very first tab, which is your Google Drive tab, go to your waffle, scroll down until you find your EasyBridge. Once you're in your EasyBridge, remember you click on the bold print, Pearson Realize. Once you're there, you'll go to My Work. Now mine's going to look different than yours, but you will go to your one that you know how to. It says My Work with the pencil. And then you will, it says right here, find and read math words and idea slides 1 through 3, which she's put in there as your work. Remember that we've played a lot of games, so you might have to go to the very bottom of your page and click on that arrow to go to the next page. When you're done watching the videos, then you're going to go to your math workbook. So some days you're going to be working in your math workbook. So get out that book and turn to page 287, 289 and do those pages. When you're done doing those pages, come back to your computer and your slides and then keep going. So she's given you another question. Type it in here. After that, here's a little movement break. You can watch this video and get up and dance. And then come back to your screen. And here's some science things for you to do. Mrs. Waddington has given you a little test to see what you remember. We learned about space. So read through each part and go ahead and do what it tells you to do. And then finally, to end your day, work on Lexia for 15 minutes. And then stop and then get on IXL Math and work for 15 minutes. When you've done both Lexia and IXL, you have done it. So there's a little ending slide here. It says, we did it. I gave you some extra things if you want to do those. So if you've gone through all of those slides, and you want to do some extra things, here's some ABC, Pebble Go, Tumble Books, Epic. You can just write about anything you want. And then I also put a little Frozen little exercise video at the end if you'd like to do that. When you're all done, you will just click on your X and that will save it for you. I'll be able to see it when I log into mine and click on your name. I'll be able to see what you did on that slide. If you, at any time when you're working, have any questions, you just have your mom or dad or the adult send me an email or remind message. My office hours are from 11 to 2 each day. However, you can send me questions anytime and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Remember that I love you and to do your best and have fun.